There are several ways to relieve stress and headaches, including exercise. Regular physical activity can help relieve stress and tension. Relaxation techniques. Try deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to calm your mind and reduce tension. Massage. A neck or head massage can help to relieve muscle tension and improve circulation. Hydration. Dehydration can cause headaches, so make sure you're drinking enough water. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for reducing stress and improving overall health. Avoid triggers. If certain foods or activities trigger your headaches, try to avoid them. Pain relievers. Over-the-counter pain medications like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can help relieve headaches. Exercise. Exercise can help to relieve stress by releasing endorphins, which are natural painkillers that promote feelings of well-being. Aerobic exercise such as running, cycling, or swimming is particularly effective at reducing stress. Relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help to calm the mind and reduce stress. Deep breathing exercises involve taking slow, deep breaths and focusing on your breath as you inhale and exhale. Meditation involves clearing your mind and focusing on the present moment. Yoga combines physical postures with breathing exercises and meditation to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Massage. Massage can help to relieve muscle tension, which can contribute to headaches. A neck or head massage can help to improve circulation and relieve tension in the neck and head. Hydration. Dehydration can cause headaches, so it's important to drink enough water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you are physically active or live in a hot climate. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for reducing stress and improving overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, and establish a consistent sleep routine to help your body relax. Avoid triggers. If certain foods or activities trigger your headaches, such as alcohol, caffeine, or stress, try to avoid them. Keeping a headache diary can help you identify any triggers and make lifestyle changes accordingly. Pain relievers. Over-the-counter pain medications such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen can help relieve headaches. However, it's best to use these medications only as needed and not on a regular basis, as overuse can lead to rebound headaches. In addition to these strategies, it's also important to maintain a healthy diet, manage stress, and engage in regular physical activity to promote overall health and reduce the frequency of headaches.